So here we are on the main artery of Dallas, Texas. This is 635 loop, goes all the way around. And this is on the north side. 6 miles that way is DFW Airport. 5 miles that way is Love Field. And 1 mile as the crow flies is Gas Monkey Garage proper. And this is what I'm talking about. What is up, Mr. Robert?
Richard, how are you?
I'm good, man.
Welcome to Mercer.
This is gonna be Gas Monkey Dallas.
Cannot wait for Gas Monkey Dallas, my friend.
This is rad. I mean, this Frontage road, I mean, how many is this, like 100 million cars a day or something?
Something crazy like that, and everyone's gonna see us here, my
Well,
friend.
I was telling the camera on the way here, you know, this is the major east-west artery of Dallas.
No doubt.
Everything, 5-6 miles from DFW, 5 miles from Love Field, and 1 mile right across there to Gas Monkey Garage.
Not far from home at all.
Not a better place
Yeah.
to put it, man. So we got this construction going up, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And these are all just other complementary businesses and maybe a few different kinds of restaurants?
That's right. A little bit more draw to the area, some more things for the people to do, but all your steel's en route, and we're looking forward to build that whole west side out for you.
Let's go check it out, man.
This is it. And we got a beautiful green space for the stage.
So we've got a really cool lakeway through here, right? Or waterway or tributary,
Yep.
I don't know what you call it.
Long time coming, and we're grateful we got it in, and people love it, and we're gonna put you right on it.
Well, yeah, but we've got a lot of home development going in, a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of apartment developments going in, and this is gonna have a walkway all the way around, more or less,
Yes, it
isn't
is. It's gonna have a nice pedestrian path, pet accommodations, and so it's really for this burgeoning community over here. And to your point, lots of new beautiful homes going in on both sides of the road. So you're gonna be right smack dab in one of Dallas's newest, most talked about neighborhoods.
This is really cool.
As you can see now, this path is a little bit more than just a walkway. You're really gonna be able to get some community.
I could race cars on this
Man,
thing.
we sure could. Once at least.
Yeah, once at least. And so we're gonna have green space all the way kind of
Yes.
down to those trees, aren't we?
Absolutely. This will be a nice big manicured lawn, and then we did get, we're going to be able to get the stage on the other end, so when we get some nice entertainment acts in here, we'll be able to all hang out on this beautiful lawn in the waterway and rock out.
This is freaking cool. I mean, really cool. We're gonna have unbelievable visibility.
Yeah, when you're up on your rooftop, and you're going to be able to see for miles around.
Yeah, because our preliminary drawings so far show maybe a balcony at about like this level,
Yeah.
looking down where all the bands are and all the other people. And
Yes, sir. It's going to be killer.
I didn't bring no golden shovel, but I know how to break some ground.